Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. I started a print-on-demand business very recently, so I'm still learning, but I started this YouTube channel to sort of build a community, but also to share my knowledge, to share my learnings, my mistakes as well. So I want to be very open and honest and transparent, and also all my successes. So I want to be very honest and open about the profits I make, at least, in the beginning, just to give people motivation, people who think about, is it still worth starting a print-on-demand business? And so hopefully, I don't know where it will, it's my first print-on-demand business, so I don't know where I will end, but hopefully, I will see successes. And I have already seen some, and I just want to, share my knowledge going forward. So today I would like to show you how I upload my designs. I use an upload tool. I've got already, after just 7 weeks, I've got thousands, no, not thousands, but I think about between 1,500 and 2,000 designs online. And I couldn't have done all of that manually, so I am using an upload tool, and this one is called Flying Upload. I tried to use Merch Titans automation as well. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me on Teespring, and it didn't work on Zazzle, I think. And I asked the support and never had a reply. So I tried to get my money back, and I did, but their support wasn't very good. And I also found the user interface a bit, not complicated, but not that user friendly. So I tried to find an alternative, and I found Flying Upload, and I'm really happy with it. It's really straightforward. They've got the tutorials online and for every platform, and they support various platforms, and I'll go through that in a minute. But I'm very happy with it. Their support is great. So I had a few issues, few questions, and they responded back to me within, not just half an hour sometimes, by email. They sorted it out via TeamViewer, so they're really good. I can only recommend it. The support is amazing. And yeah, I just want to show you a little bit about the tool. So I'll see you in a few seconds. All right, so here I am on the laptop. As I said, I wanted to show you a little bit about Flying Upload. It is the upload tool that I use. I couldn't really do without it, because I tried to, as I said in my previous videos, I tried to scale this business and really get, increase the number of uploads quite quickly, and really maximize what I can do. So there was no way for me to, get away without an upload tool, because, I did it for a few days, and it takes just hours and hours to upload. Especially because I have registered, I'm just registered on different platforms, not just one. I started on Spreadshirt, and I did the uploads manually, and it's sort of manageable with 20 uploads a day that you have. But then I got onto Redbubble, and then you can do 60 uploads per day. And, you can do it quickly as well with their copy function. But it's still, if you just think about doing 60 per day, it's just crazy, and it just gets boring after a few designs. So I tried to find out what's out there, and the first upload tool that I tried was what's it called, Merch Titans, the Merch Titans automation tool. And this one works on you have to create an Excel file, and then you have to put your information into this Excel file with the links of the images. And they're quite efficient ways of doing it, but for me, the way I organize my day, for me it was a bit too much hassle, because you have to create this Excel file, and it stores all the information. And I think at least there was no quick way for me to sort of keep in mind which ones I had already uploaded to which platforms. It was a bit confusing, and it wasn't that user-friendly from my point of view. So then I found Flying Upload, and I tried it, and I was really, really happy with it. And one thing to add, the Merch Titans tool, it created problems for me on Teespring. Teespring didn't really work. The upload didn't work. And also Zazzle didn't work. And I then wrote to their support, but I didn't get a reply I actually never got a reply. So, after just a few days, I canceled and stopped using it. got my money back because it was still within the 2-week trial period. Well, again, I then tried to find other tools, and I found Flying Upload. It's a German company. Quite a coincidence because I'm German as well. And yeah, I registered with them. So you can go to, when you think about doing it, they offer a trial. You can go to their store. I mean, they do print on demand, and they also do KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, which I do now as well, because just an additional stream of income or an additional segment of the business that I try to build. Now, what you can do here in their store, you can try their free version, and this one gives you 30 uploads per month for all platforms, which is not, it's not a lot for me. I get that done in a day, not, it's not even one full day for me. But if you just want to try it, or if you just, it would, even if you just do 30 uploads per month at the moment, and you have no intention of increasing it, but you do the uploads manually, I mean, this would save you a lot of time, even the free version. Now, what they also do, they offer a 10% discount code at the moment, which is only available until the 31st of December. So whenever you watch this video, it might be too late. But again, so what do they offer? They offer the beginner one. I've got the pro version, and then you can also get an advanced version. Well, for me, I use Pro because it just gives you access to all the platforms. The beginner one only gives you one platform, unlimited, and then limited uploads for all other platforms. But because I just try to scale this business and I just want to maximize what's possible, I straight away went for the Pro version. And, you see this, and it is 45 euros, it says here. It's 45 euros for the first month, and then 50 euros for, going forward. If you do it monthly, I think do they have an annual one? Honestly, I don't know. But I pay monthly, and, it 45 euros sounds a lot. But then if you think about it, I mean, if your goal is only to make 45 euros per month as profit, maybe it's not for you. But I want to get to, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and really build a decent monthly profit. So looking at my objective of getting to 3,000 plus profit per month, the 45 really don't hurt. And I couldn't do it without it. I don't have, hours and hours available during the day to do the upload. So that's why I went for them. I installed it, so you can get the download. Then you get a key that you can put into the tool, which then sort of is your license key. And then you start it, and then they've got tutorials on YouTube, and then you put your information in here. It just takes maybe really 20 minutes to put all your information in and set it up properly. And then you can just pull in you go to edit, and you pull in your the PNG files. This is just an example one from another video. So you load it, you put your information in, your tags and keywords, you change a few of the basic settings, and then you save it. And one great thing is here, it shows you whenever you do the uploads, it shows you after a successful upload to which of the platforms you've already uploaded it. So it's just a great way of managing your uploads, because, 2 weeks later, I wouldn't know if I had uploaded this one already to Redbubble. But if I then put it into the software again, and it gives me a highlighted Redbubble logo here, it won't upload it again to Redbubble. Well, it would, but it will ask me, it will tell me. So assuming it has already been uploaded to Redbubble, it will then, when I try to upload it again, it will just tell me, this one has already been uploaded. Do you want to start the upload again? And then I can upload it again if I want to. But obviously, ideally, you don't want to upload it twice. Well, when you've put all your information in here, then you can just go to upload and upload it to whichever platform you want. And it's really easy and straightforward. So it just does the uploads in the background, and that's all you need to do. So Flying Upload, they offer Amazon Merch, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, both platforms, US and UK or Europe.
They also upload to TeePublic, Society6, Teespring, Zazzle, Displate, Printful, Threadless, Shirty, and Fine Art America. So I have to say about this, I mean, I don't do Displate because Displate, I think at the moment they don't accept any new artists on their platform. And Printful is a bit separate from that. It's sort of, if you sell on Etsy, you can, I think, automate your uploads to Printful. I haven't done this yet. I'm on Etsy, but they have not yet released a tutorial video about Printful, so I have no idea how it works to upload these with this software to Printful. But yeah, I upload to all the other ones, and there's no reason why I wouldn't, because it doesn't create more work for me. Maybe just a little bit more, but it's just really a click. And then I can upload my design that I created to all of the platforms. So it's just a lot. It's a great time saver. And I think it's great when you try to maximize your uploads. All right, so hopefully you liked this video. If it helped you, please give me a click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hopefully it was helpful, and let me know in your comments what you think. Thank you very much. Bye.